Hello everyone. In this video, we'll look into how we can access the data and control the data via MQTT, similar to that of REST API which we saw earlier. So in this one, let's get into the configuration of the project. For this one, we need two things. One is MQTT Explorer for simulating and looking into the data from the data in MQTT broker. Next thing what we need is the project ID and the configuration details. So let's see the basic MQTT interface template. So in this one, we can see the entity interface here. So in order to create a data in entity, we need to follow this template and listing the data and updating the data. Listing the data, we use a get at the end of the topic. Updating, we use a put and delete for we use delete. So in this one, we have to replace the app ID with the respective app ID of our project, and the device ID is a unique device identification number. The entity name is the entity name which we are going to change the data or access the data, and it is mentioned in our configuration. So let's create a data for this one. So let's get into Postman to list the available data first. So let me log in and get the token. So let's get the device data available in the entity device details. So as you can see that we have almost like the last data which we have received is around 15th February 11:14. So let's get into connecting to the MQTT first. We have to go to our EMQX cloud, sign into your account. Here you can see your MQTT broker address. Let's open the MQTT Explorer. Initially, you can see let's make a new connection itself. Let's say it's a test connection. In the host, we have to paste the server address, and we have to enable the TLS certification. For the port, we have to use 8883. As you can see here, the port is 8883, and you have to mention the username and password which you have created in the EMQX account. And when you press connect, you can see that you are connected to the MQTT broker, your MQTT account. So let's just start by posting data. So for posting a data, what we need is the app ID and the device ID followed by the entity name. So let me just copy this one. So for app ID, I'm going to take it as this is the app ID. Device ID, let's assume I'm having it as um, 456 is my new device ID. The entity name, let's say it's device details. So followed by post for creating the data, and you can see that messages should be in the JSON format. So in the message, I am choosing the JSON here, as you can see. So JSON, I have to frame the data in a way. So here I have device and the data. So let's say my device is 456 and the data is 1. Let me publish the data now. As you can see, uh, we have published the data, Now let's go here and check the thing. The data might not be received. Yes, as you can see, the old data, the new data is not yet received. So let's check what is the issue. So let's get into the logs, and I'm connecting to the logs. So I've connected, and let me publish the data again. So as you can see, device details are not found. That is, we have not yet registered the device. So we have to register the device in order to accept the data from those devices. So for that we need to register the device. As you can see, this is a topic for registering the device. I'm going to replace it with app ID. I'm having it here. A sync up. The device ID is 456. So I'm publishing the data. Let's see the logs. So yeah, now the device might be registered. So let's again come to the previous published thing. So now now let's publish the data again. So now I think the data, we have not seen any error in the logs. Let's check the data in Postman. Sorry, I have mentioned the wrong topic. Just a minute. Yeah, this is the right topic. I accidentally used a sync up stats topic. Let's see now. Yeah. So yeah, now we can see that this is 15th of Feb, 1853. We have a new data which says as 1456 is the device ID. Let's publish another data with 0. It's published, and we can have the acknowledgements as well. This is the acknowledgement information which we get for each uplink topic. And this application is like MQTT Explorer will have the list of topics. It subscribes to all the topics, and we can have access, or we can have a quick view to all the topics and the data which is being published to our MQTT broker. So let's check it again. So we should have another data with 0. Yeah, we have this. So this is how we have to access the data, access and control the data via MQTT. That's it.